camera shy. Right, okay, taking Welly for a walk. We're going to do a bit of filming. This is the equipment that I'm going to be taking with me. iPhone, speakers, GoPro, batteries, clamps, tripods and other little things. There's Welly. You going for a walk? Should we go for a walk? Oh, okay then. 2 nods, that means yes. Oh, he's gone. Lost him. I can't see him anywhere. Welly! Can you see him? He went up there. Looks like I've got to go up there now. Found him. There he is. You see him? Well, there he is. Found him. That's good. I should go mad. Ah, there he is. Hello, where'd you go? Monkey? Good boy. Where have you been? Where have you been? He ran away, didn't he? Come on, let's go. Found the cave. Let's see what's in the cave. In the cave, Welly. We'll go in there. Dog, I'll have to pick him up. Come to the end of our walk now. I'm tired after that. We lost the dog and found the cave. Fortunately we found the dog again. Otherwise Ashley would have gone mad. There it is. Look, it's private, keep out. Nearly home. Tired now. Nights tonight. Oh, that'll be good. Not. my socks. That one's a bit wet. Stepped in a rather large puddle. And for a nice cup of coffee. Right, that concludes the vlog for today. I need to go and collect Jensen from daycare or school. And I'm trying to edit this vlog before I've got to go to work. So, bye.